Imagine unlocking a world where every click adds hundreds to your bank account, but 99% of people are missing out. Stay tuned to discover the mindset shift that could turn you into the unstoppable force of high-ticket affiliate marketing. Perseverance is that secret sauce that transforms an ordinary journey into an extraordinary saga. Think about every success story you admire. What's the common thread linking them together? Yes, it's perseverance. It's about facing that challenging problem and not resting until you crack it, or stumbling in your first business venture, but refusing to see it as a defeat. Perseverance is choosing to stand up every time life nudges you a little too hard. But why is perseverance so critical? Imagine for a moment a world where Thomas Edison gave up after his first few attempts at creating the light bulb. Darkness might have been a more frequent visitor in our evenings. Or picture a scenario where your favorite athletes quit after their initial losses. The thrill of victory and the lessons from their journeys would have never reached us. Setbacks and challenges are not roadblocks, they're stepping stones. They teach resilience, patience, and the real value of success. Perseverance is the fuel that keeps the engine of progress running. It's about not allowing the fear of failure to outweigh the satisfaction of pushing your limits. Because in the end, the sweetest victories are those that are hardest won. In the world of high-ticket affiliate marketing, motivation and determination are your greatest allies. It's a realm where challenges seem as common as opportunities, and the difference between those who succeed and those who falter often boils down to sheer perseverance. You might wonder, how do successful affiliates keep their motivation burning bright, even when things get tough? The first strategy is setting clear, achievable goals. Imagine you're on a road trip without a map. You'd likely end up lost. The same goes for affiliate marketing. Without a destination in mind, it's easy to veer off course. Break your ultimate goal into smaller, manageable milestones. Celebrating these victories keeps the motivation fire alive, providing a steady stream of accomplishments that pave the way to your larger goal. Next, immerse yourself in a community of like-minded individuals. Affiliate marketing can be a lonely endeavor, but it doesn't have to be. Joining online forums, attending webinars, and participating in discussions can provide invaluable support. When you share your struggles and successes, you'll find others who resonate with your experiences, offering advice, encouragement, and sometimes a much-needed reality check. Another essential strategy is to maintain a learning mindset. The landscape of affiliate marketing is ever evolving, with new strategies, tools, and trends emerging constantly. By staying curious and eager to learn, you transform every setback into a learning opportunity and every success into a stepping stone for future achievements. But beyond strategies and communities, there lies the power of self-belief. Believing in your ability to overcome challenges and reach your goals is fundamentally what keeps the engine running. Visualize your success, remind yourself of your strengths, and don't shy away from seeking help when needed. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Resilience isn't just a buzzword, it's the secret sauce to thriving in the face of setbacks. Imagine resilience as your mental immune system, shielding you from the discouragement failure and rejection often bring. Each time we face a setback, resilience helps us recover faster and stronger, teaching us that every rejection is not the end, but a step closer to our goals. Now, picture this scenario. You've poured your heart and soul into a project only to face rejection. It stings, doesn't it? But here's where resilience comes into play. Instead of viewing this rejection as a stop sign, resilient individuals see it as a detour sign, guiding them towards a different, sometimes even better path. They understand that success isn't a straight line. It's a winding road filled with obstacles, and resilience is their GPS helping them to navigate through. But how can you build this resilience? Start by reframing failures. When an attempt doesn't yield the desired outcome, instead of branding it a failure, view it as a valuable learning lesson. Every no or setback is packed with insights that can pave the way for future successes. It's all about perspective. Instead of letting failures define you, allow them to refine you. Equally important is the art of setting realistic expectations. Understand and accept that setbacks are part of the growth process. By adjusting your expectations, you're less likely to be bowled over by rejections and more likely to bounce back quicker. In the world of high-ticket affiliate marketing, resilience isn't just a trait, it's a superpower. Imagine hitting a wall with your marketing strategies where every effort seems like throwing darts in the dark, hoping for a hit. This is where resilience takes center stage, transforming pitfalls into platforms for growth. Take, for example, the story of an affiliate. They started in affiliate marketing with high hopes, targeting high-ticket items because of their lucrative commissions. However, the initial phase was anything but smooth. With each rejected pitch and failed campaign, they could have easily thrown in the towel. But they chose resilience. They viewed each no as feedback, meticulously analyzing what worked and what didn't. This led to a breakthrough strategy that not only increased their conversion rates, but also set a new standard in his niche. Or consider another affiliate who faced technical glitches that almost jeopardized their entire campaign. Instead of succumbing to frustration, they took it as an opportunity to learn the ins and outs of digital marketing tools, making their campaigns more robust than ever before. And then there's a final affiliate who, after being outshined by competitors, used resilience to fuel creativity. They dove deep into understanding the audience's needs, refining the message to resonate more deeply, ultimately capturing the audience's attention and loyalty. These stories all share a common thread: the power of resilience. All of these affiliates didn't just overcome obstacles, they used them as stepping stones towards greater success. In the fast-paced world of today, where innovation and change are the only constants, staying updated with industry trends is like holding a compass in the vast sea of your career. Envision sailing without knowing where the north is. That's precisely how it feels navigating your career without ongoing education and knowledge of current trends. Now, think of the giants in any industry. What sets them apart? It's their commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. But why is ongoing education so crucial? First, it keeps you competitive. In a world where new technologies and methodologies are constantly emerging, those who fail to keep up risk becoming obsolete. It's not just about keeping your job, but excelling in it. Continuous learning empowers you to take on new challenges and seize opportunities you might not even have been aware of. Then there's the aspect of innovation. With knowledge comes creativity. By understanding the latest trends and technologies, you're in a better position to think outside the box and bring revolutionary ideas to the table. It's not just about solving problems anymore. It's about foreseeing them and having solutions ready even before they arise. But how do you keep up with this never-ending wave of information? It's simpler than you might think. Dedicated online platforms, industry newsletters, podcasts, and webinars have made it easier than ever to stay in the loop. The key is to foster a mindset of curiosity and relentless pursuit of knowledge. In the bustling world of high-ticket affiliate marketing, staying ahead of the curve isn't just beneficial, it's essential. This realm is dynamic, filled with evolving strategies, tools, and consumer behaviors. To thrive, one must transform into a lifelong learner, constantly soaking up fresh insights and mastering new techniques. First off, understanding the landscape of affiliate marketing is vital. It's not only about promoting links, it's about building authentic relationships and offering real value to your audience. Think about it, the more you know about the products you're promoting and the more you believe in their value, the more convincing you'll be. This starts with selecting the right products, ones that align with your values and resonate with your audience. Now, how do you expand your knowledge and skills in this domain? Blogs and podcasts focused on affiliate marketing are goldmines of information. They're usually run by seasoned marketers who've been in the trenches and seen what works and what doesn't. Following them is like getting a masterclass in marketing strategies and consumer psychology, all without spending a dime. Furthermore, engaging in communities and forums can be incredibly enriching. Places like Reddit's Raffiliate Marketing or Warrior Forum are bustling with people at various stages of their affiliate marketing journeys. Here you can find answers to your burning questions, seek feedback, and learn from the experiences of others. Remember, in the digital world, your network is your net worth. Courses and webinars are another excellent way to deepen your understanding. While there's a plethora of free content out there, don't shy away from investing in paid courses from reputable marketers. Often these are structured to take you from basics to advanced strategies, guiding you through practical, implementable steps to boost your affiliate marketing game. Software tools also play a crucial role. Tools like SEMrush for SEO, Analysis, Ahrefs for backlink tracking, and ConvertKit for email marketing can automate and optimize much of your workflow. Familiarity with these tools not only saves time, but also arms you with data-driven insights to make informed decisions. In a nutshell, the key to excelling in high-ticket affiliate marketing lies in continuous learning and adaptation. It's about being proactive, always on the lookout for opportunities to learn, and eager to apply new knowledge.